You've worked with bananas before?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking. This is the first time we've cooked together, so
Yeah.
I'm not assuming anything. Hello, hello. I am here today with BJ Upton, and we are going to make a couple of recipes with some of his favorite products from his brand, Pinkies.
Should be fun.
I'm not a marijuana user myself, but I kind of know how it goes, and I know that there's a lot of medicinal benefit, and people do use it for pain management and different things like that. So I'm going to teach you guys a couple recipes. They can actually be used with or without the marijuana, but it's going to be super fun to put it in there, right?
Can't wait to try it.
So the first thing we're doing, we've been doing it already for a little while, is infusing the coconut oil that we're going to put into our two recipes with the marijuana. So we put in 2 grams, right?
2 grams.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't want to overdo it.
Okay, yeah.
We could have done more, but
We could have done
I didn't know how,
Yeah.
where we were trying to go with this,
Yeah.
so we went light.
And where does Pinkies come from? Did you say it's
California?
Okay,
Yes.
very cool.
Follow us on Instagram, pinkies.la.
We're gonna do 2 recipes today. One is a shake that's super fast, and that's something that you can do once the coconut oil is cooled down, and you can store it in the refrigerator. You can grab that and throw it into the blender and make a smoothie. Let's start with the smoothie. We're gonna put these bananas, 2 bananas, into the blender, and you've worked with bananas before?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking. This is the first time we've cooked together, so
Yeah.
I'm not assuming anything.
I cook if I have to, but
Okay.
I can get around. if I need
Okay,
to. Yeah.
awesome. Well, I'm excited to see what we're working with
Oh, boy.
as far as the skill set. I'm gonna put in some organic rolled oats. This is 1/3 of a cup. Okay, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cashews. This is gonna give our shake some body and creaminess. And then you can add in 4 dates. So you're gonna open these up and just take out the pit. So 3 more than that.
Okay. Dates, huh? How do you do that?
Dates are super nutritious and they're
Gross.
energizing.
They're gross alone. When you mix them with things, they're good.
Yeah, they're very good. And I know you're always hunting that like high protein meal. So I had that in mind when I created this recipe.
As you can see, I don't weigh much.
You know, this is a good, it will
I
help.
try to keep weight on.
Yeah, this will help for weight gain.
Okay. I never knew dates were so,
Sticky,
yeah,
like the sticky icky.
sticky icky.
You're gonna put a
Are we
handful.
putting greens in it too?
Yeah, don't look, but I am putting greens in.
Oh,
You won't notice it once it's in there. Hey, green is our theme for today.
green is our theme.
This is a mint chip shake. So we're gonna put some mint, and all you're gonna do is pluck the leaves off the stem and throw them in there. So you can do
Okay.
that.
How many?
All of it. Let's
All
go
of it?
big, yeah.
Oh, we're going minty.
I'm going minty.
Chef Dale, I'm not gonna lie to you, this could take all day.
All right, so we have 1 bunch of mint. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Tiny little
We're really
drop.
going for the mint, huh?
We are. But you'll see, it doesn't really get as minty as you would think with all this mint. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
I think I dropped some mint.
That's okay. Aside from being beneficial for all your goals of putting on muscle mass and energizing, I feel that it's also going to be beneficial for your energy in a different way. It's kind of, the mintiness is cooling and soothing, and you're quite a fiery person. And the...
Who, me?
Yes.
Am I?
Yes. You're Leo. We have the same birthday. Okay. I know you're...
Okay.
I mean, the marijuana helps to cool that down, but so will the mint, and then the spinach will, you know, give you minerals and all these things. So this is a very well-rounded medicinal shake. Next thing we're gonna add is all of that almond milk. That's 4 cups of organic unsweetened almond milk.
I'm still working on the mint, I'm sorry. I told you this could take a while.
It's okay, it's a meditation. Just enjoy the process.
It is kind of peaceful.
Cooking is very relaxing. Sweet. So I'm gonna blend this all together until it's super smooth, and then we're gonna add in the chips, but not until we put in our coconut oil. So the next step is gonna be for us to strain out the Pinkies. Is there another name for it? Is it like a special kind or something?
No,
it's just Pinkies. Okay. We're gonna strain.
Can't be giving out my secrets.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. We're gonna strain the Pinkies, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of our coconut oil into here. So this is
my favorite part.
This is the 3/4 cups of organic virgin coconut oil, and
smells edible.
The 2 grams of Pinkies, and it's been cooking on a low simmer for, and what I mean by low simmer is like there's below the lowest setting of a typical stove, there is like a simmer setting that this stove luckily has. If you don't have that, just put it on your absolute lowest setting for 1 hour. If it starts to bubble at all, you're gonna wanna take it out, and you could even do it in the oven at like 250 degrees and just let it sit in there. But we're just infusing the oil. So you could also do this overnight in a crock pot on much lower heat, submerged. You put this in a jar and submerge the jar in water. But this is a great method, and it's quick.
I like
so.
the crock pot idea.
Yeah. It will really like add aroma to the house overnight.
I like the crock pot
it's
idea.
Nice. So we're just gonna take 1 tablespoon of that and put it into our shake.
Am I supposed to measure out the tablespoon?
Yes.
I'm
not sure I trust you to measure the tablespoon. Those are too big.
Those are cups. So beautiful. Don't want to waste it. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Can I leave this in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have 2 tablespoons of raw cacao nibs that we're gonna throw in. And we're gonna do a light pulse on this. We don't wanna blend the cacao nibs in completely because it will become a chocolate shake. We want it to be chocolate chips, so we're just gonna break them up slightly.
Please tell me we're using the rest of this for...
Yes. We're using the rest for our next recipe. But
Perfect.
For now, let's give this a shot.
Wow. Not too minty. It's pretty good.
And there we have our Pinkies Infused Mint Chip Shake. Thank you guys for joining, and thank you so much for your expert advice. I'm learning a lot of new things about these Pinkies infusions here.
A lot to learn, you know. I'm still learning this.
I'm gonna observe you now after the shake and be like, taking notes. Okay.
It should take about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mid next video.
Yeah. Yeah.